Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 8, leçon I. And in this lesson we'll work on vocabulary for a change because we've been doing grammar quite much. So the topic is la géographie. L'Europe. Okay, so I did put this F just to give you the information that it's feminine, okay, because it doesn't show here with the article. L'Europe, l'Asie, l'Afrique, l'Amérique du Nord, l'Amérique centrale, l'Amérique du Sud. Okay, so let's see them one more time. L'Europe. Remember this final E, it's not really present. It only gives you the possibility to pronounce this P. PP at the end, okay? Europe. L'Asie, same thing here. Final E is not pronounced. L'Afrique, same thing here. Final E, it's only the k at the end that you will hear. L'Afrique, okay? Amérique, same thing as Afrique. Amérique du Nord, final D not pronounced. L'Amérique du Nord. L'Amérique centrale, same thing here. Centrale, remember, E-N, nasal, so it goes in your nose, en, centrale, all right? L'Amérique centrale. L'Amérique du Sud, here you should pronounce the D, sud, sud, okay? L'Amérique du Sud, all right? So one more time. L'Europe, l'Asie, l'Afrique, l'Amérique du Nord, l'Amérique centrale, l'Amérique du Sud. L'Australie, l'Océanie, l'Antarctique, l'Eurasie, l'Océan Atlantique, l'Océan Pacifique. Okay, so let's see them one more time. L'Australie, final E not pronounced. L'Océanie, final E not pronounced. Remember, Q-U-E here, it's K. Okay, so tic. L'Antarctique, l'Antarctique. L'Eurasie, final E not pronounced. L'Eurasie, okay? Same thing here for the ic, okay? L'Océan Atlantique, Atlantique, Atlantique. L'Océan Pacifique. L'Océan Indien. L'océan Arctique, la mer du Nord, la mer de Chine, la mer des Antilles, la mer Méditerranée. Okay, so let's see them. L'océan Indien. So remember here it's nasal and it can be quite tricky. So first you've got this un here and then you've got this yin, yin. Okay, Indien. L'océan Indien, l'océan Arctique, remember, tic, ic, la mer du Nord, final D not pronounced, la mer de Chine, remember, don't insist on the E, Chine, okay, and then this CH, sh, Chine, all right, la mer des Antilles. So here it's quite interesting because, well, you've got this E and then double L, S, okay, so final S and really you don't pronounce them, so you get this E sound, Antilles, okay, la mer des Antilles, little liaison between the two, des Antilles, la mer des Antilles, la mer Méditerranée, okay, here final not pronounced, but then you pronounce this E at the end, Méditerranée, okay, la mer Méditerranée. La mer Rouge, la mer Caspienne, la mer Noire, la mer de Bering. Okay, so la mer Rouge. Remember, G and then E, J. Rouge. Okay, la mer Rouge. La mer Caspienne. Okay, E and then double consonant here, and it's the same, and N, so it does open the sound here, so it's Caspienne, Caspienne. Okay, then here, la mer Noire. Same thing here that we had previously. Final not pronounced, okay? And then OI, remember, wa wa wa, noir, noir. La mer Noire, okay? La mer de Bering. That's it for this lesson. It was quite short, but I hope it was relaxing and interesting. So if you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, that's here. And then if you want to send me a little message, then imagier.net, or then find more material. Bye-bye.